going on, guys? Got another unboxing to do today. This was a package that I got from GMC. Let's open this up real quick. Alright, here we go. Nice. There goes that one. Nice. Alright guys, we're going to do the install here of the pedals today. Set up. Let's take this stuff up to the front cabin. Let's get started. And pause this. And so we got the pedals. Got some cleaner. And what we're going to be doing today is removing these rubber covers that are OEM. I don't expect it to be that difficult since it is a 2022. So these are just covers. Basically, you're going to be pulling these off and basically replace them with these guys. Nice and easy. Nice and clean. Alright, so there's only the one cover. It's plastic. So this guy's just going to swap right onto there and that's it. Quick little clean. Alright guys, so during the install I'm going to be talking about these a little bit. These are nice heavy, nice sturdy. This isn't cheap, plastic or nothing like that, where you have to use like special brackets to attach these. You just swap right on. Let's see how easy they just swap right on. Let's see, try maybe doing the top corner first. Peel them kind of into position. Follow a little along the edges. It's a pretty snug fit, but you don't want your pedal coming off, so this is fine. Oof. Follow it along the edge, walking along. Might end up speeding up this part a little bit. This takes a little finagling. But like I said, that's fine. I don't want these things ever coming out. Nice. Probably should have used a microfiber cloth. Got a little paper towel on it, but that's okay. So took a few seconds. Like I said, not nothing difficult, but you want to make sure that it's on there snug. Feel around the back, make sure everything is in the lips. Nice. Alright guys, so same thing on this one. Just gonna fit around the corners. Definitely worth getting. I actually used my GM reward points to purchase these. So I think I paid like maybe 12 bucks out of pocket after utilizing my GM my reward points. But anyways, hope you guys found this video interesting, and hope you hit that like and subscribe button. Peace.